Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Desk with Damilola. If you've ever wondered what kind of jobs people actually do online or thought, can someone like me really work online without a degree or experience? Well, this video is for you. Today, I'll be showing you the top online jobs you can start, even if all you have is a smartphone, data connection, and the willingness to learn. Let's get started. So far, if you have found this channel helpful and or interesting, kindly like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Now, you may want to ask, why work online? Well, the beauty of online job is that you have freedom, you can work from home, set your own hours, and connect with clients worldwide. I mean, there is no office politics or commuting wahala, having to fight with damnful people every day. So, this brings us to the question, can anyone work online? Yes, there are jobs for everyone, jobs for all education levels, and all you need to do is just have a smartphone, an internet connection, and the determination to do this job online. Another question that may be on your mind could be, what are online jobs really like? Well, many people hear online jobs and they often imagine something complicated or reserved for tech experts. But here's the truth. The internet has jobs for everyone. Whether you are a student, a graduate, or someone looking for an extra source of income, there's always something you can do online. Broadly speaking, online jobs fall into two main categories, which are the general jobs and the specialized jobs. Now, let's break them down one by one. Let's start with the general jobs. General jobs are simple online tasks that require little to no experience. If you can operate a smartphone, follow instructions, as well as communicate clearly, then you're good to go. These are perfect for beginners who just want to get started right away. Examples include taking survey, downloading and testing apps, responding to customer emails, managing social media pages for small businesses, typing, transcription, or data entry. You may be surprised that some people make between $10 to $100 just for completing small fun tasks. In fact, I know someone who earned $50 just for recording her laughter for a sound experiment. How does that sound? Now let's talk about specialized jobs online. These are roles that require specific skills, education, and or training. If you have studied a course, learned a trade, or built a professional skill, then you can monetize it online. Here are a few examples. For instance, a graduate of English can work as a content writer, editor, or proofreader. A computer science or IT graduate can work in web development, programming, or tech support. Someone with a background in business or finance can become a virtual assistant, bookkeeper, or data analyst. Even teachers and educators can now earn online as online tutors through platforms like Preply, Cambly, or tutor.com pay a whole lot to tutors or teachers. The possibilities are endless. The online space doesn't discriminate. Rather, it rewards your skills, efforts, and creativity. Here is a pro tip. Don't limit yourself to just one category. You can combine both general and specialized jobs to increase your earnings. For instance, while you wait for freelance clients, you can still take simple surveys or do short micro tasks. That way, you're earning while learning and you'll never run out of income streams. Now, the next question you may want to ask is, where to find these jobs? Well, I have a video on this, but let's just get straight into it. You can find these jobs on freelancer.com, upwork.com, guru.com, clickworker.com, remote tasks, micro workers, and many more like that. So, whether you have a degree or not, whether you are in tech or just starting out, there's a place for you online. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your online career grow. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who's still doubting their potential. And remember, you don't need experience to start, but you need to start to gain experience. Thanks very much, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.